malinis na. Okay, so puti ng cabin guys, malinis guys. With my friend Chanel. What's your name, man?
Nanex.
Nanex. How about you, man? What's your name?
Tupi.
Tupi, guys. Nanex and Tupi. That's my loyal friends here at Benz and Francisca Rental Service, guys. So sila yung nag-maintain ng car ko na maintain yung cleanliness, guys. Ang galing talaga na mag-ano, guys, mag-carwash. Sobrang linis talaga.